Hello my dears, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio. In previous lessons we learned to knit single crochets. We also learned to cast on a chain of air stitches like this. For those who missed our lesson, I will leave links for you under the video. Today we will learn to knit a ribbing with single crochets. For the sample, I made a chain of 15 air stitches. This will be the width of our future ribbing. That is, the rib will be knitted like this. To transition to the next row, we will make one air stitch to rise. We will insert the hook into the second stitch of the chain and knit a single crochet. Next, we will insert the hook into the next stitch of the chain and also knit a single crochet. We will knit a regular single crochet to the end of the row. At the end of the row, we will make one air stitch to rise. We will turn our work. In the next row, we will also knit single crochets, but into the back loop. That is, in each single crochet, we have a leg. This is the leg and the loop. It is located on top and looks like a braid from above. These are our stitches from the previous row. Each of our stitches consists of 2 loops. This is one loop, and the second loop is closer to us. This is the front loop. The back wall, which is further away, is the back loop, the back wall. So, we will knit the second row of single crochets into the back wall. That is, we will insert the hook into this stitch from above. We will catch the back wall, our loop. We will pull the working yarn and knit a regular single crochet. We repeat, we insert the hook from above. We catch the back loop and knit a regular single crochet. We will knit single crochets into the back loop. Here, we introduce the hook from the top. We catch the back half loop. We pull out the working yarn and make a single crochet. I will crochet to the end of the row. I have completed the second row. Let's do it. One chain stitch for lifting and we will turn the work. The next rows will be crocheted just like the second row. That is, we will crochet single crochets in the back half loop. We insert the hook from the top, catch the back wall, pull out the working yarn and make a single crochet. We repeat. Here everything is simple, just learn to crochet a single crochet in the back wall. I will crochet several rows with these stitches so that we can see how this ribbing will look and what its elasticity will be. I have crocheted several rows with these stitches. Here is how the fabric looks. The relief is given by these stripes, which arise because we crochet into the back half loop. That is, the front half loops remain unworked and give us that relief. This is the ribbing we have created. It visually resembles knitting ribbing, but is less elastic. Knitted ribbing is made horizontally like this, while this ribbing is made vertically. That is, the start of the ribbing is right here. We cast on the required number of stitches. That is how we determine the width of our ribbing. We have cast on 15 here. Next, we crochet single crochets into the back wall like this. We crochet it up like this with single crochets. Correspondingly, once we have the desired width of ribbing here, we sew it to our chains of air stitches. Personally, this type of ribbing seems completely non-elastic to me. Therefore, if I use it for a skirt, for example, I additionally insert elastic with spandex here. Because this ribbing itself will not hold anything particularly well. But it stretches a little, just very, very slightly. Visually, it gives such a beautiful relief. I think this activity was useful for you and will come in handy sometime when knitting any kind of ribbing somewhere, or for cuffs. I believe you will come up with something interesting using this ribbing. That's all for now. Subscribe, like, and we will see you at the next session. Bye bye.